I'm out on Fremont right now. It's a little humid today. They're saying there might be thunderstorms today and tomorrow. Looks like a lot of people are up early today. I mean, it's not that early. It's not quite 9 yet. But as I mentioned, Plaza's really stepped up their game. If you watch Las Vegas Advisor podcast at all, they had, I'm not exactly sure if he was, I guess he's the owner, but one of the owners on for a podcast, and they have really good, like, 9-6 jacks or better video poker. They have 3-2 blackjack. I'm not sure their table limits though. They may be a little bit higher. Single zero roulette. He says he wants the gamblers to go there. So I actually went there last night, and I had luck on the slot machine and luck on Keno. Two of the not best gambles there are out there, but I didn't check out the table limits. Maybe I'll do that today. Headed over to the D right now to check my dime Keno ticket. A bartender there told me about it. He said that a dime Keno ticket costs you $10, and it's 100 games. Fill out whatever your numbers are. It takes about 8 hours to go through. And I've won a little, lost a little, but the last time I played, I won $800. I was like, that's a nice little surprise. So I've got my ticket, I got to check, and I'm not expecting that. I'm playing 7 numbers like I did last time when I hit. So wish me luck. I'm meeting my friend over there, and hopefully I'll have a little more luck on video poker. I was just told nobody plays these machines. I'm at Four Queens. That's what we're looking at here. I put in $95 right here. Bet $1. All 100 lines, and here's my Phoenixes. So fingers crossed, baby. Let's do this. Come on, land something. Yeah, there we go. Come on. Keep it going. Reset. Anything. I'd like Phoenixes with words, please, but I will take anything. Thank you so much. Alrighty, resets. Come on, Phoenix. Alright. Oh, yeah, baby. How about Phoenixes with words? Nope. 2 more spins. Oh, don't let me hang in here. Okay, keep going. One more. Save it. No. You can kind of feel it, can't you? Honestly, just my second or third spin. Cortez playing the crazy chickens, and of course the red one was the shortest one, and it's the one that went off. Changed to 2-cent denom, so we'll see how that goes. So yeah, that's what we're looking up there. One to the minor, none to the mini yet. One on the major. Three to the grand. Yeah, that's gonna happen. 3 to the grand. Oh yeah. I think I'd fall off my chair. 1 for the mini. Everything's got 1 except for the grand's got 3. 2 more spins. Oh, that chicken's getting all crazy here. I don't know why. Okay, 4 to the grand, 2 to the minor. I wouldn't mind the minor, it's 40. 1 spin remaining, oh no. Oh, that's it. Damn it. Well, that wasn't very good. Boo. Boo, crazy chickens. I don't know what you're getting so crazy about. The Fremont sat down at the coin trio, the piggy burst, and got one on 1 cent denomination. So yeah, okay. Let's see what we can do. Jump, jump, piggy, jump, 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 piggy, jump, jump, piggy, jump, 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 piggy, jump, jump, piggy, jump, 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 jump. Oh, that's it. Dang it. He one time jumped and gave me the major. Loved it. Another blue one. Another blue one. Oh, not so much. Come on, give me another blue one. Come on, piggy. Blue, 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 piggy, blue. Two spins remaining. On a blue one. There we go, blue. Jump, piggy, jump. Jump, piggy, jump. Jump, piggy, jump. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Come on. Yay, keep going, keep going. Keep going. Keep going, keep going. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Come on. There we go. Come on, keep going. Keep going. One more, one more, one more. No, no. Well, I guess it could be worse. 3 spins remaining. Can we fit that little hole in? Probably not, but okay. Dramatic music. Sticky button. Nothing in there. Nothing in there. Sticky button. Sticky button. Nothing even rolling around. Okay, well, I like that one right there. Coin show, not so much, Piggy. Nice try. I have to do some backup spins. Yeah. Okay. A couple of backup spins. 1, 2, and 3. Alrighty. Call it a day right now.